All right, it's the big day, November 19th, and it's after the close of the bell on the stock market. It's about 1:30 Pacific time here. NVIDIA released earnings, and I just want to talk about this slide here that they've you can get off their website. And their latest quarter, which was Q3 for the fiscal year of 2026, you can see the revenue is $57 billion. Wow, what an astonishing number. Data centers has surged from the previous quarter of 41 all the way to 51, and I think so far this is really good news for validating AI is pretty legit. And you can see yeah, the stock price is up a little bit in the after hours. Of course, we have to wait for the earnings call to see what the team has to say from NVIDIA. So yeah, you can get the slide and you can look at it. I think it's just a tremendous figure. You can see the other sectors too. They're not doing too bad. Gaming, professional visualization, automotive, and other. I mean, they're relatively more stable. The exciting thing is definitely data centers. So yeah, okay. The other things I want to talk about is just talking about the news. Yeah, Qualcomm is following up with their plans to deploy their AI chip to help build a data center in Saudi Arabia with the publicly funded not company but for Saudi Arabia basically. Yeah, Humane AI. And another news also I just want to mention here, Elon Musk's XAI company wants to raise $15 billion. I guess it's to support money needed to build AI infrastructure. I'm guessing that's probably it. Other than that, yeah, we got this article here from about Lowe's. Lowe's is reported earnings today, and it beat its earnings figures and upped its revenue forecast. So the stock was up today, which is great news. Unlike Home Depot. Home Depot missed their profitability numbers, so they they dipped a little bit. But if you look into it, what I want to do mention, it says comparable sales for Lowe's stores was only zero point 0.4, where they were, I guess the street was expecting 1% growth, and this miss was similar to Home Depot. Let's see if I can find it in this article. Yeah, comparable sales ticker was only up 0.2% for Home Depot earlier this week when they reported, when the analysts were expecting 1.3%. So yeah, that's not really good for either company, but at least Lowe's is met their earnings and they up their revenue forecast. So that's kind of nice. They're doing things well. Well, Target also reported earnings today, yesterday, and or no, sorry, today. I don't have it up here, but Target, yeah, it's not looking good. I guess they're I think they're removing guidance, and then they're also now predicting a softer holiday season. But on the other opposite of the spectrum, TJ Maxx didn't go up much today, but, and I didn't listen to the earnings, but they beat their numbers and they had like a comparable sales increase of 5%. Profit margins held up at 12.7%. So all their numbers basically in the recent quarter are pretty decent, I believe. And even for a retailer, like their growth numbers is pretty good. So here in this economy, which I guess there's it's a mix of things. Some sectors are doing, some sectors are doing bad. In the retail sector, for people who are price conscientious and shop at TJ Maxx is executing well and winning business. Anyways, yeah, those are a few headlines I just want to talk about today. We'll have to wait until I guess the exciting thing, yeah, is Nvidia. We'll have to see where Nvidia goes from here, and the stock market too with it. All right, that's it for this video. Catch you next episode.